Stop chasing leads and start booking appointments as soon as they hit your inbox, directly from Facebook ads. This tutorial will guide you through automating your Facebook ads instant forms to directly populate your Google Calendar or any other calendar using the power of Zapier, saving you precious time and ensuring no lead goes unappointed. First, head over to Zapier.com and create a new Zap. This Zap will be our bridge between Facebook and your calendar. For your trigger app, search and select Facebook lead ads and choose the new lead event. This tells Zapier to watch for new submissions on your Facebook instant forms. Next, connect your Facebook business account. You'll then select the specific Facebook page and the instant form you want to pull leads from. Make sure you've run a test lead through your form recently, so Zapier can pull in sample data. Click Test Trigger. Zapier will then pull in a sample lead from your form. This is crucial for setting up the next step. Now, for your action app, search for and select your preferred calendar service, like Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or Apple Calendar. We'll use Google Calendar for this example. And the event we want to create is Create Detailed Event. This is where the magic happens. You'll map the information from your Facebook instant form directly to your calendar event fields. For example, map the lead's name to the event's title, their email to the description, and if you collect phone numbers or appointment times, map those to relevant fields. You can even set default event durations and reminders here. Consider creating a specific calendar for these automated appointments. You can also dynamically set event, start and end times if your form collects this information, or set a default appointment slot. Click Test Action. Zapier will attempt to create a new event in your connected calendar. Using the sample lead data, double-check your calendar to ensure the event was created correctly with all the mapped information. If the test is successful, it's time to turn your Zap on. Now, every time someone submits your Facebook instant form, a new event will instantly appear in your calendar, ready for follow-up or confirmation. This streamlines your entire lead to appointment process. Save time, reduce missed opportunities, and boost your client communication by automating your Facebook ads leads directly to your calendar. Don't forget to subscribe for more automation tips like this.